Hello folks, another edition of Whitey's World here. Today's adventure takes us to the Beehive Campgrounds, which is conveniently located just about 10 minutes from Page and a few minutes north of the Carl Hayden Visitor Center. On your left-hand side, you'll see a road that veers off to your left, and there are 6 designated campsites. And remember to get there early because it's first come, first serve. But you're directly across from Lake Powell, and the backdrop is the beautiful Vermilion Cliffs off to your west. So take care, enjoy, and as always, drive safe, and we'll see you on the road. So to get to the camp spot, you just go a little bit north of Glen Canyon Dam, and up on your left-hand side, you can already see typically RVs and camper shells. So right past that Lakeshore Drive Boulevard sign, you're going to take a left and just make sure you click your left blinker on early, because there's usually traffic on both sides. And then you come across the cow grate, and here you are. Whitey, relax, buddy. Tell Whitey excited. To the left, you'll see a authorized vehicle only sign, and this takes you up to a little turnabout, probably 300 yards, up to where you can walk the dog and do some hiking up in these amazing cliffs. So you'll just follow this road up to the right, and there's a nice pull-off. As you can see, it actually does snow in Page, Arizona. And there's a little turnout up here. You can park. And as you walk up west, you'll see a gate that says no access, but that's a great spot to take the dogs up. The Beehive Campgrounds are conveniently located about 10 minutes north of Page, Arizona on Highway 89. There are 6 designated sites across from the Wall-Weep South entrance of Lake Powell. There are picnic tables at each site, but no hookups, dump stations, or restrooms. So pack in and pack out whatever you bring, please. Portable toilets are required. There are no campfires or glass containers allowed. No reservations are needed, and campsites are $14 per night with a 3-night camping maximum. So as you continue on the main road up past the camping area, you'll notice there's some more off-grid camping out here. Make sure you have 4-wheel drive and clearance, because it does get real sandy and deep. So take your time, let everybody know where you're at, and have a blast. So this is just one of many examples of the pullout on the main road, where you can park and have a nice picnic lunch. You can pitch a tent, take your beautiful pooch like mine out for a walk, and do some hiking in these amazing cliffs. But take a look at this. Hey buddy, White, what's up pal? What's going on, brother? And take a look at these amazing cliffs. So hike to your pleasure. And just remember, if you have a four-wheel drive with clearance, keep following this main road all the way up to that beautiful plateau that you see up on top of the mesa. Up on top of that, it's called the Lee's Ferry Overlook. We'll do another video up there, but the views are spectacular. But again, you definitely need a four-wheel drive with some clearance. So enjoy your day and drive safe out there. We'll see you on the next adventure.